QNT continues to hold within our key area of support that lies between the $68.4 and the 61.3, and at the time of this recording we are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue pushing higher. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies above the $69.1. And on today's video, I will be discussing the possible breakout target areas that we can easily hit in the next coming hours, and also give you key areas of supports that you need to continue holding in case of any sudden pullbacks. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on QNT, you can check out BitGet, where you can see that on sign up you can now claim up a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address, and alternatively you can use your mobile number. Jumping back to the chart, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where you can see that we started a very nice bounce to the upside, managing to break above key areas of resistances in a move that peaked above the $81, completing the formation of these Elliot count 1. After we picked in that Elliot count 1, we saw a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, which was the first indication that we are seeing a change of structure of this upward movement, suggesting that we might see lower prices. We also lost a key area of support above the $78, flipping it back into resistance in a move that has now given us a bit of a corrective structure in what I have been terming as a corrective structure in this Elliot count 2, whose minimum target areas we are given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 65, the 68.5 and the $61.4, the area that I have marked here on the chart, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize, though we have fully maximized the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, suggesting that there are chances that we might have the lows for the second wave in place, and in the next coming hours, the moment we manage to break above key areas of resistances and significant highs, then that will be confirming to us that we are now starting to see an impulsive movement to the upside in these Elliot count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of these Elliot count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $105.2. And for that to play out, we need to see a break above key areas of resistances, and I also need to see a 5-wave structure formation over here, confirming to us that we have a low in place in this wave 2, and we are now getting impulsive in that Elliot count 3. But as long as we don't see such a scenario playing out, there are chances that QNT might be headed lower, and that means that in the next coming hours, in case we get rejected at key areas of resistances, we might see another pullback, fully maximizing our target area over here. And the moment we fully maximize the target area, there are chances that we can get a reversal as long as we continue holding within this area, in a move that can now easily give us that impulsive Elliot count 3. But if by any chance we see a breakdown move to the lower side of the target area, then that will be suggesting that we are going to get a reset of the lows that we made below the $56, and a break below the $56. Then I will be expecting to see a reset of the lows that we made on the $50. So that is all I'm expecting here on the short term, here on the QNT chart. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and remember to continue paying attention to those key areas of resistances and supports, and I hope to catch you on my next video update.